Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about electron accelerators. Of all the martial arts in the world, there is nothing that can't be destroyed. And only fast speed cannot be breached. Speed is also very important in the generation of energy. According to Einstein's mass-energy equation E equals mc squared. As an object moves faster, its energy increases. Accelerators can accelerate particles to the limit speed close to the velocity of light, thus generating ultra-high energy. Scientists can use it to break open the nucleus, study the microstructure of matter, and explore the essence of matter. This is also the reason why the three-body people are so afraid of the accelerator of the Earth people in the drama Three Body, in order to hinder the development of high-energy physics on Earth and lock up the basic physics research of human beings. The first task of the three-person after arriving on Earth is to control the high-energy accelerator of the Earth. Fortunately, this is just science fiction. In reality, the research of high-energy physics in China has made rapid development in recent decades. The location of Liangxiang accelerator in three-body is the electron-positron collider of Institute of High-Energy Physics in Beijing and the Shanghai Light Source of Shanghai Institute of Physics of Chinese Academy of Sciences, all of which are outstanding representatives of scientific apparatus. These high-energy electron accelerator devices provide a solid guarantee for China to carry out basic scientific research. Accelerators not only exist in scientific research institutes, but also are widely used in our daily life, which greatly improves our quality of life. Accelerators are found in industries such as industry, agriculture, medical care, and environmental protection. Among them, electron beam irradiation processing is an important branch of civil nuclear technology. Electron accelerator, as its name implies, is a device that can accelerate electrons. It can control electrons with electric and magnetic field forces in vacuum, thus generating and extracting electron beams and accelerating them to near the velocity of light, thus obtaining ultra-high energy. The abbreviation of electron beam is EB. Electron accelerator irradiation device can also be called EB irradiation device. There are many kinds of electron accelerators. According to the energy level at which electrons are accelerated, they can be divided into three types: low energy, medium energy, and high energy. The electron beam energy between 0.15 and 0.3 MeV is a low-energy electron accelerator, and the main models are high-voltage accelerators and electron curtain accelerators, which are used in coating curing, film modification, and other fields. The electron beam energy between 0.3 and 5 MeV is medium-energy electron accelerator, and the main models are high-frequency and high-voltage accelerator and dynamic accelerator, which are used in wire and cable, rubber vulcanization, and other fields. The electron beam energy between 5 and 10 MeV is high-energy electron accelerators, and the main models are electron linear accelerator and electron cyclotron, which are mainly used in medical disinfection, food preservation, modification of electronic components, non-destructive testing, and other fields. According to the principle and structure, it can be divided into high-voltage accelerator, linear accelerator, and electron cyclotron accelerator. High-voltage accelerator accelerates charged particles with high-voltage electrostatic field. Due to the limitation of high-voltage insulation, the terminal voltage of charged particles accelerated by high-voltage electrostatic field is generally less than 25 MV, which belongs to the category of low and medium energy accelerators. Below 0.3 MeV without accelerating tube and scanning device is generally DC high-voltage type. The main model is electronic curtain accelerator, and its application fields are coating curing, and irradiation processing of films and sheets. The main models of 0.3 to 5 MeV energy class are scanning accelerators, such as high-frequency high-voltage accelerators or dynamic accelerators, which are mainly used in the radiation processing fields of wires and cables, foaming materials, heat-shrinkable materials, and rubber. Electron linear accelerator accelerates particles by DC high-voltage electric field. Electrons are accelerated in a straight line direction. The longer the distance an electron travels, the longer it takes to be accelerated, and the higher the energy it gets. Electron linear accelerators are generally several kilometers long, and large linear accelerators are more than 10 kilometers long. The longest linear accelerator in the world is located in Stanford University. Can we change the 10,000-meter straight line long-distance running to 25 laps around the 400-meter playground, so that the particles can turn around and accelerate? Lorentz verified this idea, using a uniform magnetic field to make the accelerated particles move along a spiral path, and designed and manufactured the first high-energy particle cyclotron, which can accelerate high-energy particles in a relatively small space. What are the uses of electron accelerators in our daily life? Its figure is found in those fields such as industry, agriculture, medical care, environmental protection, and other fields. In the industrial field, surface coating curing, material modification, and non-destructive testing can be carried out. In the aspect of coating curing, the surface of panel or film is treated by electron beam, which is efficient and energy-saving in production and suitable for mass production. A coating with high performance such as yellowing resistance, dirt resistance, scratch resistance can be obtained. High penetration depth can be used for solid color painting. It can be used in the fields of food and medicine without photoinitiator, because of the precise control of beam distribution uniformity and depth. Electron curtain accelerator is very suitable for coating curing. The curing of electron beam coatings in Europe and America is relatively mature, and all of them use electron curtain accelerators. In the aspect of material modification, the physical, chemical, and biological properties of polymer materials can be changed by electron beam modification. For example, the heat-shrinkable film can improve toughness and heat-shrinkable property after irradiation. After radiation vulcanization, the wear resistance, aging resistance, and oil resistance of tire can be improved. The electrical and thermal properties of wires and cables are improved after irradiation. As for non-destructive testing, without damaging materials, products, or components, whether there are defects on the surface and inside of the workpiece is detected. The flaw detection accelerator is widely used in the defect inspection of large-scale cast-forged weldments, large-scale pressure vessels, reactor pressure shells, solid fuel of rockets, and other workpieces. The electronic linear accelerator is the main model of this flaw detection accelerator. In the aspect of agricultural field, electron beam sterilization of meat, fruits, vegetables, and Chinese herbal medicines can reduce pathogenic bacteria and effectively extend the shelf life. Electron beam irradiation pest control on grain, seeds, wood, etc. can kill all kinds of pests and eggs and prevent moth erosion. As for irradiation preservation, potato, garlic, onion, etc. are irradiated by electron beam, which can inhibit their germination and prolong the storage period, the supply period, and shelf life of dried and fresh fruits. Mushrooms and sausages can be extended by irradiation. As for irradiation breeding, seeds, buds, embryos, or grain pollen of crops are irradiated by high-energy electrons, which can induce mutation and breed improved varieties, and improve the germination rate and disease resistance of seeds. As for the medical field, it can be used for radiotherapy, radioisotope production, and radiation disinfection. As for the field of environmental protection, high-energy electron beam irradiation treatment of wastewater can degrade organic pollutants in wastewater into harmless or low-toxic substances. High-energy electron beam irradiation treatment of waste gas can transform harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into harmless or easy-to-treat substances. China's medium and high-energy electron beam technology can be compared with foreign countries, and even surpass foreign countries in some fields. And it is at the leading level in the world. However, there is still a big gap between China and Europe and America in the development of low-energy electron beam technology, especially in the field of coating curing. The reason is that electron beam curing is a very complicated interdisciplinary subject, involving many aspects of knowledge such as nuclear physics, radiation, reaction chemistry, polymer materials, etc. It takes years of accumulation and in-depth research to find the most suitable formula and irradiation parameters for different application scenarios. EBC is committed to the research, application, and commercialization of low-energy electron beam technology, providing technical support for the industrial upgrading of basic manufacturing and high-end equipment. That's all for this issue. Thank you for watching. For more details, please contact us. Thank you very much.